Our semiconductor drugs. Separately exert DC motor as the following parameters. RA is equal to 0.25. Back EMF constant is equal to 0.62 volts per RPM Weber. And the flux is equal to flux per pole is nothing but 175 milliwebers. And torque constant 9.55 Newton meter per ampere Weber. And the motor speed is controlled by a single phase full wave bridge rectifier. So this is called single phase full wave bridge rectifier. And firing angle alpha is set to 45 degrees. And the average speed is 1300 rpm. Speed of the motor is 1300 rpm. Okay, this speed can be controlled by using fully controlled rectifier and semi-converter drive and fully controlled converter drive. And the input of the supply to the converter is 230 volts and 50 edges. Here 230 volts 50 edges are same here also. Assuming is a more continuous current conduction mode and calculate the armature current and steady state torque for these cases. Okay, two cases. Calculate armature current and torque developed by the motor. Okay, for fully controlled bridge rectifier and off controlled bridge or semi-converter. Okay. Let given data. First given data. Given data. Let given data first. So armature resistance is given. Am I right? RA is equal to, so for we write given data and then solve equations on one by one. RA is equal much 0.25 ohms. Okay, and then KE back EMF constant that is equal 0.62 volts per RPM. Merit or not? So okay, and then flux pi is equal to 175 milliwebers. Flux per pole is equal to 175 milliwebers. Okay, and then torque constant KT is equal to 9.55 Newton meter ampere Web. And firing angle, how much? Alpha is equal 45 degrees. Firing angle is equal, alpha is equal 45 degrees. And the speed is equal to how much speed here? 1300 rpm. Am I right? 1300 rpm. This is the speed. Am I right or not? Speed. And then supply voltage that is called Vs. Supply voltage Vs is equal to 230 volts. And frequency, so not required, not required. 50 Hz. So given data. This is called given data. For fully controlled, so what is the first question? For fully controlled, under fully controlled converter drive. First one, find armature current. Second one, find the torque developed by the steady state torque developed by the motor. Okay, similarly, so for for half controller, semi-converter also find armature current IA. Second one, torque developed by the motor. Okay, understood? Fully controlled converter and semi-converter. For fully controlled, so first A, how to find armature current here? Armature current IA is equal VA minus EA divided by RA. Am I right? This is called armature current. How to find the armature current means by using this equation. And here, how to find VA? VA is equal to EA plus IA into RA. Am I right? IA into RA. So here VA, how to find VA? So this is the equation from this. How to find VA? So VA is equal to this for single phase fully controlled rectifier. Okay, that is called 2 VM by pi into cos alpha. Am I right? 2 VM by pi into cos alpha. Okay, and how to find EA here? Here VA from this equation we'll get. Okay, from what about IA? EA back EMF developed by the motor. Okay, EA is equal to, so back EMF constant Ke into pi into N. Okay, so by using this equation, so 2 VM by pi cos alpha and EA, so we will get IA. Okay, so find so first this VA is equal to 2 VM by pi into cos alpha by using calculator. All of you find VA. So armature voltage up. VA is equal to 2 VM by pi into cos alpha. Right? Cos alpha. So you know VRMS is equal to VM by root 2. Am I right? VRMS is equal to VM by root 2. Then VM is equal to VRMS into root 2. Then VM is equal to, so VRMS is how much? 230 volts. Supply voltage is nothing but RMS value. Okay. So 230 into root 2. Much? Approximately 325.2 volts. This is the VM. And then VA is equal to 2 into 325.2 divided by pi into cos alpha, cos 45. By, so by using calculator, solve. Find this VA. How much? I got 146.44. Verify it is right or not. 146.44. Okay, then so then find so VA is over, and then find E. So VA is completed, and EA is unknown. So EMF developed by motor, back EMF is equal to, so Ke, how much Ke? Motor constant back EMF 0.62, right? 0.62, and then pi, how much pi? 175 milliwebers. Substitute here. So EA is equal to Ke, that is equal to 0.62, and pi 175 milliwebers from this here. 175 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Merit 175 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into N, 1300 RPM. Then you will get back EMF. DA is equal to 141.05. I got like this. So verify these answers by using calculators. Okay, VA is equal to 146.44 and EA is equal to 141.05. Substitute in this equation. Okay, substitute in this equation, you will get IA. IA is equal to, so VA, how much here? This is called 146.44 minus EA is equal to 141.05 divided by RA, that is called 0.25, right? That is equal to 21.56 amps. This is the armature current. For fully controlled, armature current is over. First one is over. And then second one, what is the second one? Torque. Torque developed by the motor. Second one. So to find the torque equation, to find the torque. Torque is equal to KT into I into pi. You know well the relation. Okay. Torque is equal to, what is the formula? Torque is equal KT into motor constant, KT into IA into pi. Torque constant into pi. This is the formula, am I right? Then this is the torque developed by the steady state torque developed by the motor. This is equal to KT is how much here? 9.55. Substitute here 9.55. And IA, how much am I? IA armature current 21.56 into pi. So how much pi? 175 milliamperes. 175 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You will get 36.03 Newton meter. This is the torque expression. For fully controlled, this is the armature current. This is the torque. Okay. Similarly, for semi-converter. So B question. Okay. For semi-converter. So what is the VA here? IA is equal to, what to find armature current IA? So armature current IA is equal to same as the previous VA minus EA divided by RB. So same way here also VA minus EA divided by RA. So find VA. So VA is equal to, what is the formula for semi-converter? VM by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Am I right? For semi-converter, VA is equal to VM by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Am I right or not? So this is the formula. Find by using calculator VA and substitute here, and also some similar way find the EA also. Okay, and substitute here, and you will get like this. VA is equal to how much here? VM by pi. VM is equal to, so here how much VM? So 325.5, 325.2, 325.2. Okay, that is called 230 into root 2 divided by pi to 1 plus cos alpha. 1 plus cos alpha means 45 degrees. Same procedure, same as a full wave converter. Full wave converter. So YI is equal to 176 here. We get 176.78 volts. This is the voltage. The armature voltage supplied to the motor. Similarly, EA is equal to K into pi into I. Okay, then motor constant, same I think 0.62 into, okay, 175, 0.62 into 175 into, that is equal to 0.62 into 175 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into, how much? Minus 3 into 1300 speed. We will get 141.05. Okay, 141.05 volts. Substitute here IA, you will get IA is equal to VA, how much? 176.78 minus 141.05 by RA. Armature resistance, how much? Armature resistance here? 0.25. 0.25. You will get armature current IA is equal to armature current IA is equal to approximately 142. I got this much 142.95 amps. Okay, and also torque. Find torque. This is the first one is over for semi-converter, and similarly find second expression that is called torque. No? Torque is equal to KT into IA into pi. So that is equal to motor constant 9.55, okay, to IA 142.95, right, and flux 175 milliwebers, 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, that's it. Then you will get approximately 238.9 Newton meters. Okay, so this is for semi converter, and this is for full converter. Okay, these are the different answers for this problem. Understood? And then, so this is the first problem, and then go another problem based on single phase full converter. So all of you take this problem. A single phase full converter of a single phase full converter. You know this circuit diagram of full converter. Use it to control the speed of a small separately excited DC motor. Okay, a single phase full converter is used to control the speed of a small separately excited DC motor rated as 7.5 kilowatts. All of you rate fast. Single phase full converter used to control the speed of a small separately excited DC motor is rated at 7.5 kilowatts and 230 volts and 1500 RPM. Okay. The converter is connected to a single phase 230 volts 50 Hz supply. The armature resistance RA is equal to 0.5 ohms, and this armature circuit inductance is LA is equal to 10 millihenry, and the motor voltage constant is called K into pi is equal to 0.07 volts per RPM. Okay, the motor voltage constant K into pi is equal to 0.07 volts per RPM. With the converter operates as a rectifier, the DC motor runs at 1200 RPM. Okay, DC motor runs at 1200 RPM and carries a armature current of 35 amps. Assume that motor current is continuous. Determine firing angle alpha, power delivered to the motor, and power factor of the supply. Okay, complete here. Here, what is the motor rating of the motor set? So motor is rated at 7.5 kilovolts. No? Motor, so rated it to power is equal to power 7.5 kilowatts, and P is equal to supply voltage operating range of the motor 230 volts separately excited this motor, and speed 1500 RPM. Okay, and converter is connected to a single phase 230 volts. No? So that is called supply voltage. Vs is equal to single phase full converter 230 volts. Here single phase full converter. You know the circuit diagram. Okay, and frequency 50 Hz, and the armature resistance RA is equal to how much? 0.5. Armature resistance is equal to 0.5. and inductance 10 millihenry. Okay, and the motor voltage constant Ke is equal to motor voltage constant Ke into pi is given like this 0.07. So volts per RPM. Okay, with the converter operates rectifier, DC motor runs it. So okay, for converter output, converter operates based on that converter. The DC motor runs at 1200 RPM. Okay, and armature current IA is equal to 35 amps. This is the given data. So first, what is the firing angle? How to find firing angle? Single phase full converter. This is the single phase full converter. So how to find the firing angle? By knowing the relation that is called VA is equal to 2m by pi into cos alpha. From that we will get alpha. Am I right? It's clear. From VA is equal to, from that expression you will get VA is equal to full converter 2m by pi into cos alpha. From this equation, so we will get alpha. So here unknown thing is this is called unknown. Okay, unknown. We need to find this. Okay, instead to find this alpha, you must know the VA armature voltage. So how to find this? You know the relation VA is equal to EA plus IA into RA. You know, am I right or not? IA into RA. Am I right? From this expression, so we will get. So here unknown thing is this is unknown. Okay. So how to find the EA? EA is equal to, so from motor constant K into pi into N. Okay. So then how to find the EA here? EA is equal to Ke, that is called 0.07. Ke is equal K into pi is equal to 0.7, and the speed of the motor is called 1200 RPM. Don't take a 1500 RPM, so this is called maximum rated speed, rating of the motor. But this motor is operated at, motor is runs at 1200 RPM, but this is maximum rating of the motor. Okay, so 1200 RPM, and then you will get, so 84 volts. EA is equal to 84 volts. And then, you know, this 84, and then find EA, VA. So VA is equal to 84 plus IA into RA. EA plus IA into RA. IA is nothing but 35 into RA is equal to 0.RA. How much RA? IA is equal to 35. Armature resistance 0.5. So then you will get 101.5 volts. This is called VA. Understood? You know here from this equation now. Okay, from this equation, VA is equal to 2m by pi into cos alpha. No? So VA known. Substitute here. VM also known. By using this relation, find alpha. So VA is equal to 101.5 is equal to 2 into VM. How much here? That is called 230 volts. No? Root 2 into 230. We will get here root 2 into 230. 2m by pi into cos alpha. So root 2 into 230 divided by pi into cos alpha. Here only unknown thing is alpha. So find alpha by using this expression. So we'll get approximately cos alpha is equal to, I got 60.65 decrease. That's 60.65, alpha is equal to 60.65. And then second one, what is the first one is over? Firing angle is over. Okay. Firing first one, A question is called firing angle, and then second question, power delivered to the motor. Second B question, this is called A. and B, power delivered to the motor, that is called average power. Power is equal to, so VA into IA. VA into IA. So VA is equal to 101.5 into IA is equal to 35. So that is equal to 355 2.5 watts. I got this much of power. This is called second question. So what is the second question? Power delivered to the motor. No? And then third question. So what is the third question? Power factor of the supply. Power factor of the supply. Okay. Power factor of the supply. That is called C. So what is the source current waveform? So this is the source current waveform. By using this, is it possible to find the current? Okay. So here IA is equal to 35 amps. Okay. And this is called pi. This is called 2 pi. Here omega t. Okay, 0.